A very good morning. Thanks for clicking on to the Wednesday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. We remain locked in this firmly Atlantic-driven weather pattern. Sounds like a broken record, doesn't it? Certainly, it looks as if it's going to be a fairly unsettled night, to say the least. We've got a developing area of low pressure that will be pushing across pretty much right across central Scotland through the course of tonight. That developing system deepens as it crosses the UK. Heavy rain across the northern portion of England and Wales could cause some localised flooding, and also a fairly steady rain, I believe, across southern and central Scotland. But the strongest winds are going to be through the central swathe of England and Wales. Could be talking about gale force winds, possibly some branches down by tomorrow morning. That system will quickly clear out. We're going to have an area of high pressure that builds in, so a fairly cool but brighter day tomorrow, and then we just have another succession of frontal systems that will sweep in. Really, the next 7 to 10 days is pretty much the same script here. We're going to be talking about more wind and rain, lulls in between, which may produce some kind of cooler, frostier nights. But really, we're pretty much stuck in this rut, I'm afraid. High pressure firmly suppressed to the south, and this is that system that pushes through over the course of tonight. Then we get a kind of northwesterly feed of air, so fairly fresh conditions. High pressure builds in once again through the latter half of the week. Then we've got another system comes in during the day on Saturday. Brighter skies follows on Sunday. And then as we go into next week, we've got more systems coming through. A fairly deep, low pressure field here extending across the North Atlantic from Canada to the Norwegian Sea. High pressure to the south. We've got that squeezing the isobars. Always that bit windier across the north with the potential for gales here and there. But as we skip through next week, folks, it looks as if we're going to really squeeze the isobars. We've got quite the gradient here between 1026 over the northern half of France, and we've got low pressure down towards 980 millibars across the Faroe Islands here. So what we're going to be talking about here is this pressure gradient is going to increase the west-southwesterly wind, a fairly mild direction, so nothing particularly cold as of yet. Of course, we are into the month of October. You do expect to see the first frosts, even some hill snow, but it doesn't look as if we're going to really see that just yet. Given this very westerly pattern that we've got going. And as we continue to skip through next week, we've got more systems coming in, high pressure in between these areas of low pressure here, and it's like a broken record basically. We're just going to maintain this theme as we go forward here. So that's it for today, short and sweet. Hope you have a great Wednesday, and I'll be back in the next couple of days. Bye for now.